Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Bad Seki wins Jamaica's first TikTok election in landslide. On Sunday, scores of Jamaicans took to the polls for the country's first ever TikTok election, a spin on Jamaica's political atmosphere. The idea by content creator Carlando Bad Seki Bailey quickly caught the attention of Ruben One Claus Hussey, bringing together around 30 Jamaican content creators. Now, Bad Seki represented the party for Jamaican people, while One Claus led the Jamaican National Party, JNP. Speaking on TVJ Small Jamaica on Monday, One Claus shared that what started as a joke quickly took on a life of its own.
When we were
invited to the
swearing in,
you thought that was a joke. You're like, who's pranking us?
So he got that DM from Andrew Holness's page, Dr. Andrew Holness's page, and he was like, "Is this real?" And he called me, and I was like, "It looks real. We should go." And then we were invited, and when we got there, we sat around the back, and a lot of people came up to us, took pictures with us, and it just turned into a frenzy.
He also expressed gratitude to Bad Seki for the concept, which allowed others to see him in a different light.
Without this collaboration, I would just be another controversial figure online. He really legitimized my profile, and he opened the gate for me and carried me places I would have never thought possible. So
the election ended with Bad Seki taking the win in a major landslide. Now, Sim Soul Sessions returns for season 12, highlights suicide awareness in first episode. The highly anticipated show returns to the airwaves this evening with a special guest, Dancehall star Conscience. The season launch comes as September is recognized as Suicide Prevention and Awareness Month. In 2016, the DJ lost his brother to suicide.
Starting our show on Monday with Garfield Spence, whom you may better know as Conscience, who lost his brother Delos to death by suicide in 2016. He hasn't really spoken about it. It took him to a really bad place, but now he's in a really good place.
Yes.
And so he's honoring us by starting off our season.
The show, which provides a safe space for guests to share their stories of trials and triumphs, has enjoyed a successful run since it first aired in June of 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic.
I didn't know when I was planning the show in June that there was going to be such a great need for hope and inspiration. Remember, all of us were inside.
Yeah.
Stay inside. And so people needed something, I think, even with all the destruction and sadness and anxiety around them, around which they could coalesce and find a seed of, hope and inspiration. And the program turned out to be it. And it just kind of skyrocketed from there. And I think because hope is generally in short supply wherever you look, I think that's what keeps Jamaicans and diasporans wanting more of it.
Executive producer and host Simone Clark also shared that with more than 12 seasons and 150 guests, she is still amazed by the demand for the show.
Almost 150 guests, diaspora.
Zero idea.
Yeah?
Zero. I prayed it would do well, but I had no idea it was going to take such hold.
Yeah.
And do what it did in such a short
Any story
time.
that
Sim Soul Sessions returns tonight at 8:30 p.m. on TVJ. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.